Today I am going to discuss types of chemical reaction. The important type of chemical reaction are as follows. First one combination reaction, second one decomposition reaction, third one displacement reaction, fourth double displacement reaction, fifth oxidation and reduction reaction. First combination reaction. The chemical reaction in which two or more substances combine together to form a single substance that are called combination reaction. As for example, here you can see two substances, magnesium and oxygen, are combined together. It gives magnesium oxide. If two substances are combined together and give single substance, then this type of reaction is called combination reaction. Another example, when carbon burnt in presence of oxygen, then it combines to give carbon dioxide. It is also example of combination reaction. Next is decomposition reaction. The chemical reaction in which single substance get converted into two or more substance. That is called decomposition reaction. It is reverse of combination reaction. As for example, on heating potassium chlorate, it gives KCl, potassium chloride and oxygen gas. Here one substance get converted into two substance. So this is an example of decomposition reaction. It is of three types. Decomposition reaction is three types: thermal decomposition, photochemical decomposition and electrical decomposition or electrolysis. First one, thermal decomposition. If the decomposition reaction is carried out by heating, so that is called thermal decomposition. As for example, on heating ferrous sulfate, it gives three product. That means one substance get converted into three substance. So this by heating. This is the symbol of heating. This triangle symbol is the sign of heating. Similarly, on heating lead nitrate, it gives lead oxide, NO2 and oxygen. So this is also the example of thermal decomposition reaction, because heat is required for completing reaction. Photochemical decomposition. If decomposition is carried out in presence of sunlight, as for example, when we expose silver chloride in sunlight, it get converted into silver and chlorine gas. This reaction is known as photochemical decomposition reaction. Next one is electrical decomposition or electrolysis. If the decomposition reaction is carried out by passing electricity, so this type of decomposition is called electrical decomposition or electrolysis. As for example, NaCl. When electricity is passed through molten NaCl, then it get decomposed into sodium metal and chlorine gas. Similar other example is electrolysis of electrical decomposition of water. When electricity is passed through water in presence of acidic medium, that is H2SO4, in presence of H2SO4, it get decomposed to give hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Here you can see hydrogen gas gives 2 moles and oxygen gas is 1 moles. So the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is 2:1. Displacement reaction. Third one, displacement reaction. The chemical reaction in which one element of the compound is replaced by other element, then it is called as displacement reaction. You understand by this chemical reaction. Here, when iron is added to copper sulfate solution, which is blue in color, then this iron displaces or replace that copper. Then it forms FeSO4 and copper gets separated. So in this reaction, iron is more reactive in comparison to copper. So copper is displaced. Another example is, if we add copper into ferrous sulfate solution, then iron is not displaced by copper because copper is less reactive. Another example is when copper sulfate is treated with zinc, then zinc displaces copper and form ZnSO4 and Cu. Here zinc is more reactive, so it displaces copper, less reactive element copper. There is a table of reactivity series of metal. You just see potassium, it is most reactive. As we move from top to bottom, the reactivity of metal decreases. Here potassium is more reactive, sodium in comparison to potassium is less reactive. Slowly reactivity decreases. So sodium can displace easily magnesium, but magnesium can't displace sodium. So by this reactivity table, we can decide the displacement reaction. Okay, thank you. Next class I explain other types of reaction. Okay, thank you.